Hey folks, today I got a problem with my chainsaw. She's not greasing her chain. She's greasing it somewhat, but there's not enough. I used to use a tank of gas to a tank of chain oil. I took it all apart here and cleaned everything up, but it's not that. So today I'm gonna go inside and see if I can take out the pump. The pump might be dirty. I've never done this. I've watched videos on YouTube last few nights and show you guys along the way. First I'm going to take off this, the bar, block the cylinder, take out the plug, put a piece of rope and block the cylinder so I can unscrew the clutch. Little horseshoe here. I'll flick you off now. Just be careful that he knows where he's at. He could go flying. A little washer here. Takes it off that way, puts it down that way. So when it takes it, I'll put it back up right way. Bit of pins there, bearings. Now in order to unscrew this here, I had this a few days ago. Cleaned it all inside, but that wasn't the problem. You mightn't believe this, but I had this cleaned up summer. I cleaned it up with the oven cleaner, like I do every year. But I tell you, it don't take very long for it to get back in the mess again. Need that smarter. Take out the plug here. I have not had a problem with this style yet. I had a 291. I went in the woods a few years ago. I came home and I said there's something wrong with my saw. She's really heavy. So because she's got a lot heavier than what she always was. Someone asked me then, do you think it was saw got heavier or could it be old age? So now spin this around until it gets it to the high cycle. I'll stuff this in, or almost to the high cycle, and so I can jam the piston up against the top of the head so I can unscrew this. This for spinning around there. That's the pump right there. Took all this off yesterday because this here was broke, but everything is perfect. The pump is spinning around good. So now I'm going to take up the handlebar and take the pump down through right here. 4 bolts in here. 1, 2, 3, and 1 right here. Takes that off, just slides the handle back over. And the pump is down here. Now, before I unscrews any of that, I'm going to take all the oil out of the reservoir. There's where the pump sits there, right there. This thing goes down into the hose that goes to the oil bottle right here. I'm seeing a bit of dirt around this, so this looks good. The pump is working, but is the pump working enough? Or is there dirt in the pump? Looks good. And they said you could put a 6mm screw in the base of that pump and haul them out. Get the pump out. And there's dirt there. There was dirt there. So I got to clean this out somehow. I got no air. So it's just spinning there. So I got WD-40 here. I squirt it in there. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, it was dirt in here. And now when it twists around, you can see that it's all cleaned out there now. So I'm going to put this back together, clean it up as I go. When I get it back together, give her a try, see how it turns out. On the bottom of the pump, I screwed that screw in there. A pair of crooked nose pliers, bend slightly, and came out real easy. Screwed them back in, tapped on the head of this, and the pump went into perfect. Careful when you clean up your bars over a garbage can that is full of dirt. You happen to lose one, you got a mess on your hands, like I just did. Now I'm going to put everything back together in reverse order that I took it apart. Hopefully it all works. Get everything put back on. Now there's the worm gear. Get a little wire on it. Make sure that fits on over there. That's what's going to spin that so that the pump is going to work. It's all going back good, easy, hopefully in order. I'm not going to put those plugs in until I try them, because they're hard to get out. Although I should put this one in, because you got to go in before the put the plug in. Now when I put this rope in, I put it in very gentle. There's a soft rope. His buddy was saying on YouTube that don't get any dirt inside on your piston. If you do, I'm going to save this now in case I got it. Hopefully I won't have to use it again. YouTube is good sometimes, you know. I enjoys it. Okay, we're getting there. I got to clean my filter. Okay, guys, we're all back together now. And give her a try. Sucked it off with the vacuum cleaner. Cleans it off almost every day. Not with a vacuum cleaner, just shakes or brush your mitt over it. Excuse the mess I'm in, guys. I just came out of the woods. And I want to do this before I clean up. Alright. Wish I was living close to Grampy. That's Grampy's workshop. He's a real whiz at stuff. Knows what this is. That jack of all trades, master of none. But that's me. But Grampy, he sure puts things together. My father and I used to pick at these chainsaws, and he certainly could make them work. He's the one who showed me how to sharpen the saw. Told me one day, he said, "Kurt, I don't mind you sharpen the saw for you," but he said, "Why don't you learn how to do it?" He said. Then you'll always know. I'm putting these things in because I think it's going to work. Now guys, this is not a how-to video. This is just a video that I put together. But if I could help someone else, if I could do this, then I should say anyone can do it. I started her up and all start coming through there really good, and then seemed like it slowed down again. I don't know. Well, of course, I drained all the oil out of the reservoir. I got to put new oil. Whew! Praise the Lord. Yes, she's dry, sure. How come you didn't tell me this? Wasn't that much help. Oh, she's dry. Anyway, folks, I'm going to fill her up now. Later on, put the chain lid on her, and if this is not working, I'll certainly let you know. Well guys, I tried my saw. Everything was great. She's greasing good. As you can see the grease coming down. I didn't get in the woods today because it's raining. But I had to take a root and trawler anyway to make sure everything was good. So in regards to it, might seem a bit intimidating to. It did to me, but I looked at a few videos, and if I can do that, anyone can do it. I probably sold myself probably $100 by cleaning that out. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. Take care. God bless.